Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Thanks so much for joining me. Today I'm super excited. I get to share with you day 3 reveal. I get to share with you a brand new product that's coming soon to the Newton's Nook Design Shop. It's part of their February release. This here is so sweet. It's called Newton's Rain Boot and it is adorable. Rain boots. Sorry, did I say boot? There's 2 boots there. It does have a coordinating die set. So if you like the dies, the options available to you. This is a 4x4 stamp set, and it is so cute. Newton sitting in his boots with a bunch of flowers, so cute. And then there's some fun sentiments in here. That's one of them says, "You quack me up." That's the one we're going to use today. There's one that says, "Get welly soon," and then also, "Cute boots make everything better." So super fun stamp set. Now there's a chance to win this stamp set over at the Newton's Nook Design blog. I encourage you guys to check it out. The link's down below. Okay, we're going to jump in. I'm going to color in this image with my Copic markers today. So I'm using Copic friendly paper, and I'm also going to ink up my images with Memento Tuxedo black ink. The rain boot's actually on the larger side, which is a great focal point for your card. And then that little ducky is so sweet. I'm actually going to stamp him twice. So we'll clean off our little stamp and then stamp him one more time. In the stamp set there's also a little flower, and there's a coordinating die that goes with the flower. So after I have this guy stamped, we're just going to remove my panel from my MISTI and then stamp that little flower 3 times using the same ink. While I color, I'm going to play some music for you guys. I did list the colors in the top left corner, but when I'm done coloring, I will catch you back. Okay, coloring is all done. Now I'm going to take the dies, the coordinating dies, and just die cut out all my images. Love the way this turned out. Those little duckies were just so sweet. I could just make a cute little spring card with those duckies. Okay, I have to run it through a couple times because I have just the one die, and I have 2 duckies, and then I have the 3 flowers, of course. But once all my images are die cut out, and then while I was die cutting out, I used the largest frame from the Frames and Flags die set, the one with the scalloped edge, and die cut out my background panel. I did take a circle die from my stash and cut out a window in the center here. For my background, I decided to bring in the Raindrop stencil, and I added a little color to a piece of white cardstock. I used Distress Oxide ink in the color Faded Jeans. I just wanted something behind that window, and I thought the raindrops went perfect with the rain boots. The Raindrop stencil is part of the Newton's Nook February release also, and so that will be listed below. Okay, I adhered my little boot, and then I'm going to go ahead and place my little duckies kind of wonky on the inside of the window, kind of playful. And then I already stamped the sentiment below with VersaFine Onyx Black ink, the one that says "You quack me up." My card base today is an A2 size card base. It's top folding. I went ahead and adhered my raindrop panel to my card base, and then I'm going to pop up my scalloped edge panel and place it on the very top, just for a little bit of dimension. Now all I have left are my 3 little flowers. I'm going to put one up on top here, and the next one right next to the boot, and then the third one we're going to put right next to the top one also. Now all we have to do is add some bells and whistles. I'm going to bring in some Morning Dewdrops. This is like a glossy accent. It's going to dry clear, and it's going to give my images a little dimension. I'm going over the gray areas of the boots and also the bills and the feet of my duckies. And then I'm also going to bring in a little sparkle with some Ranger diamond stickles. I'm just going to go in the center of the flowers. But that's my project for today using the brand new Newton's Rain Boot stamp set. It's going to be available on Friday, so be sure and check it out, guys. I want to thank you so much for joining me, and don't forget to head on over to the Newton's Nook Design blog for lots of inspiration using this stamp set, and then also there's a chance to win it, so be sure and check that out. Have a great day. We will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.